Hey y'all got to make this pasta dish and it only took less than 20 minutes. All right, here's the ingredients. However, I did not use the lump crab meat. Boil your penne noodles until they're nice and tender. But while they're boiling, you're going to make your sauce. Take some butter, melt it in a skillet. Add in 1 cup of seafood broth. Let that reduce all the way down. Then add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and your seasonings. And I will list these seasonings in the description box. All right, combine this all together. Give it a good old stir. Then we're going to add in 1/4 cup of salmon cream cheese. The salmon cream cheese is so good. Don't knock it till you try it. Make sure that's all nice and stirred. Oh, make sure y'all go hit like and subscribe to my cooking channel. I appreciate it. All right, let's keep on. Now we're going to take our drained noodles, add some margarine or butter, whichever you prefer. Get that all nice and combined. And we're going to put these noodles in our sauce. Stir them up until it's all nice and combined, until you hear the sound that you like. Okay? Now we're going to make our salmon. We're going to put some olive oil, light olive oil in a skillet. Let it get nice and hot. Put your salmon in there. You're going to season both sides. And here's the seasonings. And I added smoked paprika. Okay? Cook both sides. It took about 4 to 5 minutes. Put that on top of that pasta and you enjoy. Hit like and hit subscribe. And thank y'all for watching.